indoors, everyone. Yes! There's a new event indoors, everyone. A new event. There's a new event indoors, guys. Check this out. The trick-or-treating Halloween event. Guys, is it limited? You can get a limited badge. The haunt. Yeah, which is a limited badge that you can get. So I better get it quickly before it runs out and I miss it again. This time I'm gonna get it. Oh yeah. Oh, it started. I don't need any of them. And if you find a candy, you eat it. And then something happens, like special happens. I heard from some of my friends. Oh. Yeah, oh, I found a candy. Yeah, and every single candy you eat is plus one candy corn on the top right corner, right over there. Look, right there. Oh, and now, a prize. Nice. See, some candy can be nice and some bad. And I died last time because of a candy. I can't die. Wait, I got 3. Oh my god. Yo. Wait, what? Oh. What was that? Sounds. Okay. Okay. Wow. Oh, yes! Let's see. Money walks. Oh! Whoa, look at this! Oh my gosh! Wait, whoa! Look, oh my gosh, I'm getting infinite candy. Yo. Give me as much candy as... Oh, come here. Out of battery. No, I don't have... Oh no, we cannot get batteries. No. Wait, look at that. Oh my gosh. We're getting unlimited gold. Oh my god. Yes. Haha. Let's see. Let's go. Wait, oh, it stopped. Oh. Okay, let's find a key. Found another candy. And great aftertaste. Okay, let's find the key now. Wait, I found a battery. What the heck? I got the key. Okay, let's open the next door. Door 4. Found another candy. Room for more. Fuck, jeez, that scared me. The bat. Oh my! I just got a what? Oh! A lighter. And a battery. Wait, oh no. I just got a 90. What the flip? Okay, that was weird. A question mark is a new one. Oh no! Not again! I'm pretty sure that you need like 100 of... I'm pretty sure you need to eat like 100 candies and then you get like an achievement. The limited achievements. So I need to eat 100 candies. I've eaten 19 candies, so I need to eat 81 more candies, and then I've earned the limited Halloween 2024 limited edition Halloween achievements. Oh yeah. Shall we? Let's just do a montage of eating, shall we? guys, I'm stuck in the elevator. What the heck? Door one. What the fuck? More to... Let's do this quickly. 100! Yes! 100! And I skipped rush. Nice. 100 candy. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is sick. That has to be a capture. Okay, well, let's go and get that achievement. Oh yeah. What did I get? Sugar rush completed. What the flip? What is this? Sugar crash? I'm not going for 500 candy. What does that mean? Oh wait, I got 2 revives now. What? No. What the? No, I want. What was that? Oh wait, I got a revive. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh my god, there's seriously a 500 one. Nah, I'm doing that off camera. I'm not doing that on camera. This takes too long. Oh my god. Into that. I did it. How many are there? There's 2 only. Here's this. Tag, here it is. Oh wait, these are limited ones. This is the final badge. This is the final event badge. After this, I got another event badge. Nice.